Have you ever wondered how people work from homes, earn in dollars, and live their life on their own terms? It's called remote works, and today I will explain exactly how it is and how it works and how you can get started, even if you have only a smartphone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dami, and today we are diving into something that can truly change your life: remote work. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to earn online, this video is for you. What remote work means is that for a beginner that don't know what it means and how it works, remote work means working from anywhere without being into a traditional office. It could be from your home, your cave, like even while traveling. You don't need a physically clock in. All you need is a device and internet. And we have types of remote jobs that you can do online. And here's an example of jobs that you can do in this online space. We have freelancing written, which is you write articles or blog posts like those Facebook written posts that you post on your Facebook. So just like articles like that are post. Then we have graphic design. You can use Canva, you can use Photoshop, and all these skills you can learn it for free. Like we have customer support, we have virtual assistants, and we have social media management and affiliate marketing, right? So we are going to learn all these skills for free on this channel, right? So these are the tools that you will use if you want to start remote work today. The first tools you need is your Zoom or Google Meet. Like you need Zoom or Google Meet for video calls, like when you want to schedule a meeting maybe with your client or your prospect, right? So, or Gmail for emails. Like you need Canva for graphic design, you need Trello and Notions for tax management, and the main thing is where you'll be receiving your payment, which you need PayPal or Payoneer or Wise or getting any other payment means that you can use to receive your payments in this online space. And why remote work is a great work, so here is why it's so popular. Number one thing is no commuting, flexible time, and any foreign currency. It doesn't mean that because you are in Nigeria, you'll be earning in Naira, you are in South Africa, you'll be earning in your currency. No, you earn in foreign currency, right? So you learn and grow fast when it comes to remote works, right? So what you need to start is just a smartphone, a laptop, internet connection, and you need a skills. You'll be learn that on this channel, all the skills that you need. Just pick one and stick to it. Then keep learning as you are doing it, right? So you need basic English and typing skills and willingness to learn. The best thing is if you don't have willingness to learn, there's nothing you can do in this online space. You have nowhere to go, right? So I started with zero experience, just using my Android phone. Within 3 months, I was making money on like building my brands. If I can do it, so can you. So if this inspires you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell button. In the next video, I'll show you how you can start remote work using just your phone. You don't want to miss out. So thanks for watching, and remember, your phone is not just for chatting, it's for making money too. See you in my next video.